Pharmacist taught. You will never again suffer from inflammation, discharge, candidiasis, and bad smell. Today, I bring you a very good recipe that will probably help many women who are watching me and who suffer from infections, bad odor, and inflammation in the vaginal area. Before I tell you how, tell me here in the comments from which city you are watching us from. Today we will make the guava leaves tea. It's no secret that guava is a very nutritious fruit, low in calories, rich in vitamin A and B complex, iron, magnesium, and potassium. Here with me I have guava leaves. Because it has a high content of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory substances, the guava leaf is considered a great ally for heart health, since it improves blood circulation. The guava leaf controls the glycemic index and cholesterol, and is also good for the skin, preventing premature aging. One of its wonderful benefits is fighting inflammation, bad odor, and vaginal discharge. For today's recipe, we will need 400 milliliters of filtered water and 6 guava leaves. And to prepare the tea, simply add the water and the leaves to a pot. Let it boil. As soon as it boils, leave it for another 5 minutes and turn off the heat. With our tea ready, now just strain it. And it is ready to be drunk. This drink is a miraculous home remedy with amazing properties for your health. It will cure any inflammation you have from the inside out. Guava leaf tea is a powerful antioxidant and has anti-inflammatory properties. It is rich in tannins, which help to treat inflammation and reduce secretions. Guava leaf tea combats digestive system problems, such as diarrhea, excessive intestinal gas, and gastritis. It is also excellent for reducing blood glucose levels. So, what did you think of today's tip? I am sure this tea will benefit you greatly. I would like to pass on a message that is in Joshua 24:15. But if it does not please you to serve the Lord, choose today whom you will serve, whether the gods which your ancestors served beyond the Euphrates, or the gods of the Amorites, in whose land you are living. But I and my family will serve the Lord. It is essential that the people voluntarily serve God. The Father is looking for the one to worship Him in spirit and in truth. It is essential that the people serve God voluntarily. The Father seeks whom the one will worship Him in spirit and in truth. May God bless you and all your family. Until the next video. Bye.